Hello, welcome to Learn with Umesh, L3N with Umesh, session 5. Like I explained in my session 4 end comments, I wanted to test the same innate N agent with other LLMs, and I tried doing it with Meta's Llama. However, it appears that the GPU that I have has a driver that doesn't go very well with Llama, and Llama was continuously failing on me. So I switched to OpenAI's GPT, which is also available for you as an open source model that you can use on your LM Studio. I'll show you how I can use it and what changes are required for it. They're minimal changes, so you should be able to do them very quickly. All right, so first things first, on the LM Studio, you basically load OpenAI GPT OSS 20B. That's the one that I used. You can get it by searching for OpenAI, and you should be able to get multiple of OpenAI's LLMs that you can make use of. So I basically used this one. All right, that's one part of it. The connection string, etc., remains the same. The API identifier becomes this, and nothing really changes for us. Now back to our N8N, you need to change the messenger model to OpenAI GPT OSS 20B. Now, the good part of OpenAI's output is that it is really a good JSON, unlike the markdown JSON that we got from uh, Google's Gemma. So you can actually see that I'm now getting in this output is finance related as a real JSON item, category, rank, title, summary, reasoning, and what. All right, so this is an easier to parse JSON for us, and it follows the schema that we really wanted in this. I did not make any changes to the prompt, so the prompt worked as is for OpenAI as well. So if you see, this is the code that we have from session 4, and this is the output schema that we wanted, and we are getting it. Cool. The other thing that you have to change in the code that we have to do is basically make sure that remove the code that was working on stripping the markdown JSON and start making use of the actual output from the parse data. All right, and I have beautified this code a bit and also added HTML so that the email body would look good when it gets sent. uh, Effectively the email that you are going to get would look like this. Oh, hold on a second. So what you are going to see is a beautified HTML email with a tabular HTML structure and whatnot. And again, these are all things that you want to do with your CSS, and that CSS is included in session 5's JavaScript code. Out of the 76 RSS items that you would get, we are now only getting 20 out of them because they are not, they are, rest of them are lower than rank 7. Okay, so that's the way the new this thing works. So in short, changing the LLMs that you want to use does not result into a lot of work. Uh, One, maybe you want to change the prompt in message model. Maybe you must change the LLM that you are making use of, and then based on the output schema, your JavaScript code may change a bit, and that's it. So happy agenting for now. In the next session, I'll try and make more sense out of this instead of just using the summary that I'm getting from LLM. I'll try and collect information outside the LLM from the real world in a time-based fashion. So that should be session number 6. And again, if you like these things that I'm sharing with you, please subscribe to the channel and like it out there. Thank you very much.